Yo, first order of the day. We've got an IHOP 1175 going 6.5 miles. That makes sense.
But I got you, so
Perfect.
like, either way, I'm good. If you could just sign right here for me.
Okay. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $12 and some change, going 6.5 miles, 2 items. All right, what are we shopping for? Light bulbs and diapers. I think it's this. This is gonna be a stacked McDonald's, $10 and some change, going 4.5 miles. I think most of the mileage is getting to the actual restaurant, so I think they should be ready for me once I get there.
We're working on the other two right now.
Wrong order. Okay, I accidentally accepted this one, but it seems like a good order. Almost too good to be true. Feels a little fishy, but we'll give it a shot. This one is for Sherry's, $9 going 1.5 miles.
Got this one here.
Thank you.
I haven't had a chance to get.
Oh, I need a pin. That's why it's fishy. I just saw their notes. It says, I'll come outside wearing a fur hat. All right, good to go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Still unsure of that order. He did come out with a fur hat, so I'll give him that much. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $12 going just under 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for IHOP, $12.50 going 4.5 miles. This place is packed, so I'd say it's about a 50-50. Should be this first one.
Got drinks with it. See you later. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. Finally got my next order. This one's gonna be for Starbucks, $7.25 going less than 3 miles.
Thank you, man. Nope.
It looks like we're heading back to Starbucks. This one is $8 going 2 miles.
Should also be on there. Yeah, if you pull.
This next order is a stacked McDonald's. Looks like it is $10 going just under 4 miles.
The 2 codes are paused up here. There was a gentleman who came in for them and didn't want me to wait to fix it. We gotta bring it was saying we gotta bring it into the POS system, but I would just double check right here.
Yeah, these 2 orders are probably not going to be worth it. I might be unassigning them.
I'm just waiting on one more sandwich love and then we're set, okay? Okay, so I had to write them out because I didn't print stickers.
Well, that was annoying. Apparently their tablet's down and they have to manually input all the orders. Normally I would have unassigned that one, but all the traffic lights on that street are down, and that's a pretty busy street. So either way, I was gonna be stuck in that area for a while. Figured I might as well just wait for it. Wait, they're down over here too. Okay, as soon as I drop these orders off, I need to move to a different part of town because I do not want to deal with this. Hi. Meow. Meow. All right, well, I've been driving around way too much. Even with peak pay on right now, I'm still getting trash orders. So I think I might just call it here. Current time is 11:10. Current total is 93. And I still have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. And if I get the full payout from them, it should bump me up to like 109-ish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.